Welcome back to Q Rides. The 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid is crafted for those who prioritize excellent fuel economy, spacious interiors, and practical day-to-day usability. It takes the core strengths of the Corolla sedan, like affordability, reliability, and overall value, and reshapes them into a compact SUV that's ready for everyday adventures. Compared to the Corolla sedan or hatchback, the Corolla Cross Hybrid provides more room for cargo and a higher driving position, features that many find more comfortable and confidence-boosting on the road. Under the hood, it's powered by a hybrid setup combining a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine with 3 electric motors, delivering a total of 196 horsepower. All-wheel drive comes standard, giving you improved grip in a variety of driving conditions. Pricing is expected to start around $30,000 USD, with top-end trims reaching up to $34,000 USD, depending on selected features and configurations. One of the standout trims is the SE, offering a great balance of features and affordability. It comes equipped with all-wheel drive, roof rails for extra utility, tinted windows, paddle shifters for a sportier feel, and blind spot monitoring for added safety. For those looking for an even more premium experience, the XSE trim steps things up with heated front seats, synthetic leather upholstery, and a power-adjustable driver's seat for enhanced comfort. When it comes to performance, the hybrid variant outpaces the regular Corolla Cross. In acceleration tests, it reached 0 to 60 mph in just 7.3 seconds, while the non-hybrid version took 9.2 seconds. Fuel economy is another standout feature. While the EPA's official numbers for the 2026 model haven't been published yet, the 2025 version delivered 45 mpg in the city and 38 mpg on the highway. In real-world highway testing, it achieved about 36 mpg. Plus, it can tow up to 1/500 pounds, making it capable enough for small trailers and light hauling. Step inside, and the Corolla Cross Hybrid focuses on functionality and long-term comfort rather than flashy design. The cabin is clean, intuitive, and accessible to a wide range of drivers. You'll find 22 cubic feet of cargo space behind the rear seats, significantly more than the sedan's 13 cubic feet and the hatchback's 18. The top-tier XSE trim adds thoughtful features like ambient lighting, a sunroof, and a rear seat center armrest, enhancing the comfort of every journey. On the tech front, the Corolla Cross Hybrid is equipped with a 10.5-inch touchscreen that supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and satellite radio. Higher trims include a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster, rear USB ports, and a premium JBL sound system, giving drivers both connectivity and entertainment on the go. Toyota's aim with this model isn't just to pack it with tech, it's to enhance the overall experience of owning and driving a reliable, efficient, and well-rounded vehicle. If you're in the market for a compact SUV that delivers on efficiency, comfort, and everyday practicality, the 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid is definitely worth a closer look. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive reviews and updates.